What is marketing? Well, there are three parts to it, really. There's market research at the beginning. You find out what's out there and what people might want from you. Then there's strategic marketing, which is where you work out where the market's going and what kind of things people might be wanting and what your strengths and weaknesses are and how it all fits together into a strategy for you. And then there's marketing communications, where you tell people about how great you are and how great your products are. And a lot of people think that marketing is this last one, it's communication. And in fact, if you look in Wikipedia at the definition of marketing, it says marketing is the methodology of communicating the value of a product or service to customers for the purpose of selling that product or service. So Wikipedia thinks that marketing is just communication, but I don't really agree with that. I would say that that's marcoms. It's marketing communication, or communicating your product to your market. And that's really only the last step in the chain. I think marketing is much bigger than that. Now, the official academic definition of marketing from the Chartered Institute of Marketing, the CIM, and it doesn't get much bigger than them, is as follows. They say marketing is the management process responsible for identifying, anticipating, and satisfying customer requirements profitably. And that's virtually strategy. It's about what will people be wanting in the future so that we can make it and sell it at a profit. And I think that's what marketing really is. It's about a strategy. It's about the whole future of where are you going, where do you want to go, and is where you want to go the same as where the rest of the market is going to be going? Is it the same as where the customers want to be going in the future? Because ideally you'd be planning now so that you hit the spot in 5 years' time of where the customers are going to be in 5 years' time. That's the essence of marketing.